Brena Hadid. Honey Bee Hadid, baby. Woo! Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Just getting a little liquid courage. I'm Honeybee, and this week I show you how to get Bella Hadid's curly bun, like smooth curly bun, whatever. Here's the inspo photo. I've seen a lot of these tutorials, but I feel like mine is super accurate and easy AF. If you have questions though, drop them in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. I don't know, man, I feel like I've done so many intros and they all suck. Okay, homies, first thing we're gonna do is section out a triangle right here. This is how you get that parted look when you're doing a high pony. So I have these short front pieces, so I'm gonna have to take this a little further back. So I'm gonna go further back like that. That way there's long hair that will help hold those short hairs in place. Does that make sense? Now you're just gonna start here, put your finger there like that. Now take your nice little sexy section and put it out of the way. My dog's here, can you hear him? You think you hear a piggy in the background? It's really just Bluey. Check to make sure it's even. That's even enough for me, because you know it don't have to be perfect. Anyways, clip this sucker out of the way. Now you want to use some sort of hair product. I think today I'm going to use Mousse, but if you have hairspray, hairspray will work great. Product is a big part of how you get that really sleek ponytail look. And I'm just gonna take sections, and you could also do the exact same thing that I'm doing with hairspray. So I'm gonna take Mousse. Oh, a little much there, boys. What are you gonna do? Already it's feeling so good. Oh, I don't know why it's so dang cold, man. Oh, it's chilly. Oh, and you know, we need a beer break. That was such hard work. So we're gonna be putting our ponytail on our crown here. We start with the ponytail, then we'll move on to a bun. So just start brushing your hair back. Oh my God, already I'm obsessed. See, I personally feel like Mousse works the best because it gets the hair a little damp too, which is good. Sometimes if you use a product that's too sticky, it makes the hair difficult to brush. And when I'm taking my brush strokes, I'm really like digging it in, and you kind of want to think facelift when you do this. So when you're brushing up here, you're going like straight up back into your hand. And you see how gorgeous that looks? So if you're like, oh, that looks good, that looks snatched enough, just brush it way more times. Lean back and brush up like that. And you'll feel so snatched there. Oh, that's so taut, baby. Remember to look in the mirror. You want to make sure your ponytail is centered. When you're done brushing with the brush, you feel like your ponytail is ready to go. Just go over it with a comb. And already that looks so much nicer. It just gives you cleaner lines. I'm holding so tight with this hand, it's starting to get really sore. I'm just using a regular ponytail like this. I'm thinking that center is possible. Don't go like this and pull the ponytail because you'll get a bunch of bumps in your hair. Oh, nothing like a beer on a Monday morning, baby. Woo! Okay, folks. Now we're gonna put in some heat protectant because you don't want to fry off your hair. I'm using Blockade by Amika. It's an oil. It's nice because you can use it when your hair is wet or dry. Excuse me. Next, what we're gonna do, let's curl that. This is a 1/2 inch, or actually, ow! This is a 3/4 inch iron. You could use a 1/2 inch. I wouldn't go any bigger than this. I would prefer to use a wand because I'm not even gonna be using the clamp. And you just want to wrap the hair around like it's a wand and go in all different directions. You want it to look kind of imperfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl this ponytail part, and we'll be right back. Make sure you use lots of hairspray. It's gonna help it to hold. So now let's get started on the front piece. Take a comb and part it so you have a really clean line. And take some more of your Mousse hairspray, whatever you got, and spray it in the root. Actually, kind of spray it all the way down. Oh, I'm just getting everywhere, man. Oops. So now I have my little elastic on deck. I'm just gonna be combing this back like this. We're gonna bring this back into our current ponytail. Okay, so I have my 2 pieces in my hand. I'm gonna secure it to this ponytail. I'm gonna do 1 twist all the way around. On the second part, I'm just not gonna pull the bun through all the way. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Looks wackadoodle right now, but we're gonna pull some pieces out. Just grab little random pieces. Now, when you're making a bun, it's a lot about styling and shaping. So now I'm gonna take my bobby pins. I'm just kind of pushing it forward and just start pinning. And watch as you go, you kind of pull it out and do your thing with it. Don't really pin it until you're digging the shape. Ooh, already that's looking really good. This piece is kind of pulled out. I don't like how it's like flopping around, but it's nice to have these pulled out pieces because I feel like I could really shape it a little more. Customize it a little bit more. Ew, this one's jacked. So we're gonna pin this guy up too somewhere. So let's say your curls are sitting back like this and you want them more kind of like up and falling down. You just take them and pin them wherever the heck you want. Hairspray all around your hairline. This step is not necessary, but I do it in my videos so you guys know how to get that celeb look. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. You want it to be fluffy so, I don't know, it spreads more easy, and I'm gonna take eyeshadow. Don't go too dark because you'll be like, oh crap. Go lightly with your hand. We're just filling in the hairline here. I'm such an idiot. Okay, look at my curling iron. My TV's oh, it stinks, brew. That's plastic. Oops. I set this down and, burnt my TV. Good job, honeybee. If you have any ends that are cracked out, I'm just gonna take my iron and smooth them down like that. Do you see my baby hairs right here at the nape of my neck? If you have those, take a little bit of mousse or hairspray. I'm just gonna spray some mousse in my hand and I'm just gonna sweep it up. And we're all done. The longest part of this style is definitely curling your freaking ponytail. But if you curl your hair after your hair's in a ponytail, and it'll be way quicker. The reason it takes so long is because we're using such a small iron. Woo! Thanks so much for watching this week's episode. If you enjoyed this look, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And let me know if you have any requests. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.